Zammad is a popular help desk software, but before you decide to buy it, there are a few key things you should know. We'll dive into 12 crucial points to help you make an informed choice, especially when compared to other help desk solutions on the market. First, Zammad is open source and free to use, which sets it apart from many competitors that require expensive subscriptions. However, while you can use it for free, you'll need to host it yourself or pay for their cloud hosted version. This flexibility gives you control, but it also means you'll need to manage your own server if you're using the self hosted option. Next thing, Xammad's user interface is straightforward, but not as polished as some other help desk software out there. It's functional and gets the job done, but it might feel a bit dated compared to sleek designs in competitors like Zendesk. If user experience is a top priority, this might be a small drawback. The third thing to consider is the ticket management system. Zammad offers a robust ticketing system that allows for automation and categorization. It's very customizable, so it can adapt to your business needs, but it may require a bit of time to configure properly. If you need an out-of-the-box solution with minimal setup, other options like Freshdesk might be better. The fourth thing is its support for multiple channels, including email, chat, and social media. Zammad integrates with popular channels like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, making it a versatile tool for businesses that communicate across multiple platforms. Competitors like Help Scout or Zoho Desk also offer multi-channel support, but often have more refined integrations. The fifth thing to note is its reporting and analytics features. Zammad provides essential reporting, but it doesn't match the level of detail or customization offered by other platforms like ServiceNow. If in-depth reporting and metrics are crucial for your business, you might find Zammad a bit lacking here. The sixth thing is Zammad's knowledge base. While you can create a knowledge base within the system, it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as those found in platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk. This could be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on self-service support for your customers. Next, Zammad does a great job with collaboration features, allowing team members to collaborate on tickets. You can add internal notes, assign tickets to different agents, and track progress. However, it may not have the same depth of team collaboration tools that larger platforms like Jira Service Management offer. The eighth thing is its customer support. Zammad offers good support for a self-hosted system, but it's not as comprehensive as some other solutions. With other platforms, such as Freshdesk or Zendesk, you get 24/7 customer support, even for lower-tier plans. The ninth thing is its security. Zammad follows standard security practices, including two-factor authentication, but its security features may not be as advanced as some competitors. If your business handles sensitive information, you may want to explore platforms like ServiceNow, which have stronger security protocols. The 10th thing is the scalability. Zammad is highly scalable, but as your company grows, managing the self-hosted option can become cumbersome. Competitors like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk are easier to scale with their cloud-based solutions and automated updates. The 11th thing is integrations. Zammad supports a variety of integrations with tools like Slack, CRM systems, and project management software. However, its integrations aren't as extensive as some premium services like Zendesk, which offers native support for hundreds of tools. Finally, the 12th thing is Zammad's pricing. While the self-hosted version is free, their cloud-hosted solution starts at an affordable rate compared to other paid help desk tools. However, when you scale, the price can add up quickly, so it's essential to consider your long-term needs. So, is Zammad the right choice for you? It's a solid help desk solution, especially for those looking for an open-source, customizable platform. But if you're after more polished features, easier scalability, and more robust customer support, there are other options worth considering. You can try our recommended solution for free to see how it compares.